little bit. It's kind of chilly out here. You can see us all bundled up. This is actually one of the nights we're kind of happy to have masks on our face just because it's cold. Our satellite and radar is showing a few clouds here and there, but other than that, just a few clouds. We're not going to see much overnight tonight. We should stay mainly dry, but temperatures are going to be pretty chilly. Most of us will drop into the 30s, around freezing, if not just above freezing. So we are going to stay pretty chilly tonight, but we are going to be windy. That's the real thing. We're going to be dry, but the winds are going to pick up into the evening. If we look at our wind speeds, we're talking 30, 40 mile per hour gusts across some of the higher terrain. So if you do, again, have any of those Christmas decorations that need to be secured, those inflatable frosties or whatnot in the yard, make sure you do that. And that will add to the wind chill tonight too. It will make it feel colder. So bear that in mind. It is going to get pretty gusty overnight and at least for a little bit into early tomorrow. Let's talk about Futurecast in a little bit more detail. Temperatures tonight, again, dropping into the 30s as I mentioned. You can see the clouds moving over. But again, we should stay dry, and there's more sun to go around into Thursday. Get this too. Look at the temperatures as we head into Thursday afternoon. We make a recovery. Most of us get into the 50s, if not closer to 60, especially across some of the coal fields. Finally, some more comfortable seasonable weather, and Friday is looking about the same. Temperatures should be right around average. We're talking 50s, if not low 60s, and we should have some good sunshine. Now, there are some changes that are going to happen as we start to head into the weekend. If we look at a wider picture of Futurecast, you can see that we have a frontal system that approaches us on Saturday. So it looks like we're dry to end the work week, and then we get some rain on Saturday, mainly Saturday evening. On the back side of that system, we're going to have a lot of cold air rush in. So we could actually see some flakes mixing in by Sunday evening, I'm thinking. And then that northwesterly flow really gets going, so we could see some snow again on Monday. It's not looking like a huge deal, but it's looking like one of these little events we've had here recently. So to recap, temperatures tonight in the 30s, if not the low 40s, mainly clear, kind of windy overnight tonight, especially across the high spots. After midnight, that stuff calms down. Tomorrow, we're back in the 50s, some good sun. If we look at that 10-day really quickly, we're staying dry and warm to the end of the work week, and then we get another system, a cool down for the weekend and into early next week. After that, though, we look to be dry for a few days after that. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back right after this.